I Mhayivava jaru kula imbacha danuna shiti yimane amkalaka the channel that matters. Yeah, keke. The channel that matters the most. Oh, well, what dalela nande? Channel shawa ya huma ngwana buye. Why? Because this is the only channel that matters to watch. So I love to say pikizana suicide. Kuna lokukaru wana kwalani ide Mhayivava John is more like we're running a campaign to raise the funds. We want to buy something for the channel, yeah, and then so this thing, ningam jere sabu yene maram taswane as we grow, and then the quality will improve, and then but what are the benefits of such things? Me, one of the process that they pull up for members, so members of the energy shocker will do it. But look reasonable, and you think she alana channel ya that the views die, and then she want a cool and the video that found the interviews, it is celebrity interviews, and rangami tu bona ngwe before laba ngwanyana. Minga join ku monto lapswana, just join to support or whatever. But don't be that guy who hey ranza Mhayivava so I support him because no, you don't owe me anything. Just do it out of your will. Thomas Mathonsi is about to release another project. Cameraman was like a one disturb. Um, she got sometimes go to endle so I miss mdala. Say sungune say you're cool because when album in one it just has some less streams on YouTube and other online platforms, online stores. So yeah, I Rinzeleni. I'm gonna try my level best to get in touch with him so we can talk and see why an album outside Thomas talk and Shinyo sister. And Thomas must talk Thomas Bitrayo, much is Nalia and one Thomas. Thomas talk and Shinyo sister. So it's not something we must be crying about. From what I've been what I observed to go about banang na senior. I'm not about your photo bombing maran yena senior about banang, but hopefully I'll get more information as time goes by. And nila ku commenta ka swilo ka Bushiri wa Tsonga, Bushiri wa ka Gaza. I byele munhu suka la ni la ku tsema ni la ku a ku tiwa kahle mava and then se lebyiya bya minomo ya ku leha ne bya ku fana na mina byi ya comment in a sense ya ku byi la ku trendisa that man ku a languteka as a bad guy mavo. So honestly speaking, like from I have a lot of people on my contacts on WhatsApp as well. She's also wrong. Yes, it's wrong, but that was a joke. So joke might be good, might be bad. Just accept it as it is. And when more rhandza ku rhandza ku nghenelela swilo swin'wana se swi loyi a nga n'wi poyile laha a nga zanga twi mbilu ya hi vava u lo hlekelela a huma na misise ya ku bondiwa mavo and ne ku se a n'wi dlaya na ku dlaya se that's why swi nga n'wi vavanga swilo sweswo because a ni a nga dlaya mara ni vuli ku bad mara ni vula ku a swi n'wi vavanga because ne se swi wa ti tiva and xa vumbirhi ku we should stop these things of trying to bring people down. But simultaneously, Bushiri is Bushiri will never change, man. He even makes fun of it. Even when people don't accept the joke, he even makes fun of it and trying to, I don't know, Bushiri will that likes it, Bushiri will kalama, nyele, Bushiri will Chavi CMC, blah blah blah. Jaro kula embacha.